You said get that guy, get Nas,
حتمدى ببينم دوشا بنت بخوينم دل بكا بن سما
It's Kirstani, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy J Munchie, J Munchie, you know what I'm saying? ABC Kirstani, A slaw Kirstani, slaw to my Kirstani, J Munchie Kirstani, medium Empire Kirstani, hey, Chia, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy J Munchie, and this is Curtis Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? I am Munchie the Great, you know what I'm saying? You can call me Jay Munchie, or you can call me Jai Munchie, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you already know you're not ganging with the gang. Welcome to the Universal Middle Eastern Empire, you know what I'm saying? And we about to get real Kurdish in this, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got, you know what I'm saying, Zachariah, Abdullah, you know what I'm saying? Mel Curtis singer, you know, Shane. And this is called Dilla Nas. And you're not ganging with that gang. So swap house, y'all say. BZ, Curtis Stomp, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all love that. BZ, Curtis Stomp. BZ, Curtis Stomp. BZ, Curtis Stomp. And with no further ado, let's get straight into this reaction video, you know what I'm saying? It look like Kurdish mixed with Persian. Oh, like the beat. Hey. Really nice relay, y'all saying Kurdistani, this is Munchie Gang, Kurdistani, Kurdistani, really nice, yeah. Hey, relay. Myron, man. So they on the beach. You got the Kurdish woman. Really nice. Hey. So good. I like the beat. Got a romantic vibe, tempo. You know what I'm saying? I just love the sound. You know what I'm saying? Very Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? The Kurdish men really know how to sing. Like, that's one thing I like about the Kurdish people, you know what I'm saying? Because not just the Kurdish females could sing, you know what I'm saying, really good, but the Kurdish men could really sing. And it's like, I mean, really know how to sing, like, you know, in their own, you know what I'm saying, style, because of their culture, you know what I'm saying? You already know. So they at the lighthouse now. With what's that, Azerbaijani? You look like a Kurdish Azerbaijani singer. meaning he's definitely Kurdish, but he's like mixed with something, or maybe he's Kurdish and Turkish or something. He remind me of Tarkan. Tarkan, the Turkish singer, just the Kurdish singer, you know what I'm saying? This is the Kurdish, Turkish version of Tarkan, you know what I'm saying? Gang, 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 you know what I'm saying? I don't think he be making songs like Tarkan, you know what I'm saying? But there's some songs. Anyway. So Kurdish, Persian. She look like she's Persian or Iranian. Oh, that's a nice outfit she had on. Hey, sexy. Shilana, what? Shilana. I run a town like my name Fish Mooney. This is real life, no script movie. She a bad bitch with a big booty. I ain't gonna lie, girl, you a thick cutie. So let me see you do it, girl. Keep that booty moving. Let me see you do it, yeah, do it to the music. I run a town like my name Fish Mooney. Hey. I ain't gonna give up on you, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm right here. You keep running into me, it's a reason. You know what I'm saying? They was meant to be together. Gang, 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 gang. You know what I'm saying? I really get a Persian romantic vibe from this. You know what I'm saying? Iranian style. You know what I'm saying? Persian style. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of acid sauce with a whole lot of Kurdish on top of it. You know what I'm saying? And underneath. You know what I'm saying? This is a Kurdish singer. But I love it. You know what I'm saying? The beat, the tempo. Nice. Like how he hold the last, I like how he hold the last, what did I say? Last time he repeat Dili Nas. Okay. This is amazing, you know what I'm saying? I definitely love the vibe. Now, this is an old video, so my video, meaning me, you know what I'm saying, this reaction, you know what I'm saying, if it seemed like it was like a little laggy, it was the actual video itself. I'm not sure exactly what year this came out, but I do know when someone told me to react to this, whoever, I forget who asked me to, but it doesn't matter because I ain't doing no shout outs, but they told me to react to this actual song. So when I searched for it on YouTube, it has an album, and the album is actually called by Zachariah Dili Nas. The album is called Dili Nas. You know what I'm saying? This is Zachariah, Kurdish male singer. His last name is Abdullah. You know what I'm saying? So, amazing song. I like it. I love it. You know what I'm saying? Bile. You know what I'm saying? Hey. And I'll see you guys in the next Kurdish Sonic Munchie TV reaction video. You know what I'm saying? You're not ganging with the Kurdish gang.
حتمدى ببينم دوشا بنت بخوينم دل بكابن سما
Dili Nas.